System errors causing the ltfil14n library DLL crashes in LEADTOOLS. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. As we prepare to resolve ltfil14n library, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the ltfil14n library, a localized LEADTOOLS file format filter, v14. It provides unmanaged routines for reading and writing specialized medical and document imaging formats, DICOM, TIFF. It facilitates localized metadata parsing and bit depth conversion within professional imaging workstations. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Application-level DLL errors like this are usually resolved by reinstalling the affected software. Reinstall the latest official version of LEADTOOLS to replace ltfil14n library. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the ltfil14n library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If the library remains missing, you should manually clear the program's cache and then download the latest build from the developer's website. Removing the old application data before running the new setup ensures that your DLL file is correctly placed in the root directory without interference from legacy files. Why are we doing this? Well, many applications will try to use existing local data even after a reinstall, and manually clearing the folders forces the software to establish a fresh connection to its dependencies. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of ltfil14n library DLL carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. For structured configuration management, the optimization software referenced below includes ltfil14n library-related documentation. Thank you for trusting us with ltfil14n library repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.